Welcome to Manchester's ultimate student stay, where luxury meets convenience. Presenting Mill Point. Located on Berry Street, Mill Point offers a range of well-furnished student rooms right at the heart of the city. Get ready to indulge in a plush ensuite room, complete with premium quality beds, study desks, and spacious wardrobes, all designed to elevate your living experience. When hunger strikes, head to the fully fitted kitchen and living area, shared with your flatmates, for some culinary adventures. And let's not forget about the common areas where you can challenge your mates to a game of pool or some video game showdowns. And if you're in the mood to relax, the outdoor courtyard is the perfect spot to soak up some sun. The best part, Mill Point is just a short 10-minute drive from both the University of Manchester and Manchester Metropolitan University. So you can say goodbye to those long-dreaded commutes. Fancy a cold pint on a long Friday? Head to Spinning Fields for some fantastic pubs and bars, like the Alchemist and Fight Club, that are always filled with college students. And for your everyday essentials, Tesco Express is also within walking distance. Join the community of over 700 happy students and book your stay at Mill Point today. Visit amberstudent.com for more information.